Welcome to the world of monster machines. These aren't just tools. They're unstoppable warriors built to conquer nature. Get ready for jaw-dropping action as TechGiantX unveils the giants of forestry. Subscribe now, and let's dive into the power and precision of these colossal machines. Hear that roar? That's the chainsaw, not just cutting but singing as steel bites into wood. It's a symphony of power, a fierce yet beautiful clash between man and nature. Each slice brings us closer to mastery over the wild. This isn't just logging, it's the rhythm of steel and wood. Root ball removal is no simple feat. Each lift demands strength and finesse. Facing hidden forces and hazards, this machine rises to the challenge, expertly uprooting even the toughest roots. It's a true test of skill and precision, proving that forestry work is as much about mastery as it is about power. Meet the John Deere 1270G, a true forest beast. Its H415 head devours branches with power and precision, like a dancer of destruction and renewal. Each cut is swift, precise, and utterly relentless. This isn't just a machine, it's a titan of the timber world. With every slice, it carves its legacy in the heart of the forest. Imagine producing firewood without the strain of heavy lifting or back-breaking labor. Timberwolf Alpha 6 makes it happen, turning raw logs into perfectly split firewood with effortless efficiency. It's the ultimate firewood machine, turning tough work into a simple, smooth operation all day long. Imagine crafting firewood with the precision of an artisan, but without the back-breaking work. Han HFP 160 Pro makes this possible, transforming raw logs into perfect firewood with a gentle yet relentless rhythm, each piece handled with grace. This isn't just efficiency, it's modern craftsmanship at its best. The Tarosa KK900 doesn't just remove stumps, it obliterates them. Each hit lands like the hammer of Thor, crushing every root in its way. It's a relentless force of destruction, transforming the toughest obstacles into flat ground. Witness raw power as Tarosa clears the path for new growth. Meet Stump Boss Ltd, the undisputed king of grinding. It tackles the most stubborn hardwood stumps, tearing through them like a knife through butter. Every grind is a testament to its strength and dominance. This isn't just clearing land, it's total stump annihilation, and Stump Boss reigns supreme.
ЗИЛ 131.
Even legends face their limits. The ZIL 131, famed as a true cargo beast, finally meets its match as it tackles a brutal mix of heavy payload and unforgiving terrain. Each jolt and climb pushes this giant to its breaking point. Will this legendary hauler conquer, or will nature win this round? Liebherr LRS 545 lifts logs effortlessly, stretching out 82 meters like a graceful giant. Each move is steady and powerful, stacking logs with ease. It dominates the landscape with elegance, combining immense strength with a delicate touch. A true marvel of engineering, Liebherr is built to lift with both power and precision. This R150 chipper may look small, but don't let its size fool you. Watch as it chews through logs like butter, effortlessly transforming wood into chips. The precision and speed of this machine are mind-blowing. A powerhouse in a compact frame, this is top-tier chipping efficiency at its finest. The Senebogen 735E series is a masterclass in forestry engineering. Like a well-placed chess piece, it fits seamlessly into any workflow, maximizing productivity with every move. This machine optimizes seemingly simple tasks, proving that efficiency is as much about strategy as it is about strength. The 735E is efficiency redefined. Take a moment to relax with us in the breathtaking Slovakian forest. Watch as timber journeys from the pristine wilderness to the final mill destination, reminding us of nature's beauty. This is a peaceful escape before we dive back into the action-packed world of forestry. Check out this SRS timber truck as it battles through muddy roads. It's like a real-life obstacle course. Watching the driver expertly navigate every twist and turn gives you a new appreciation for this skill. Mud, hills, and timber. This is as intense as it gets for logging transport. A true test of grit and experience. When facing rocky, unyielding terrain, the Hitachi Zaxxas 200 with its ripper tooth attachment is unstoppable. Each strike optimizes output, tearing into solid ground while conserving fuel. This powerhouse brings efficiency to rough landscapes, proving its value as a true asset in the forestry arsenal. Here we go. Watch as this expert logger makes a precise cut. The slightest mistake could cause the tree to fall the wrong way, but with experience and skill, this pro makes it look effortless. This is what forestry is all about: precision and control. Meet the Harvester H11D. With a 66 horsepower engine and a hydrostatic transmission, it handles rough terrain with ease. What's impressive is how it combines power and efficiency, cutting through dense forest while keeping the operator safe. This machine is a game changer for modern forestry. Driving a logging truck isn't easy. These roads are muddy, steep, and narrow. But with expert handling, the truck moves smoothly through the toughest terrain. One wrong move could mean big trouble, but these drivers know exactly what they're doing. Wow, this Bell 4000C Firewood processor is a real powerhouse. With its 66 horsepower engine and 66-inch Simon circular saw, it makes quick work of even the toughest logs. Can you believe it's all controlled with just one joystick? Plus, it has a dump tray and a 16-ton swivel conveyor, making it a highly efficient tool for firewood processing. Turning trees into timber takes both technology and skill. High-tech sawmills ensure each cut is precise, turning raw logs into usable lumber. The process is fast, efficient, and minimizes waste. It's all about maximizing the value of each tree. Tough stump in your way? The FH20R stump harvester easily grabs, pulls, and grinds it down. Plus, with the robotic grinder, even the smallest remnants are gone. It's the ultimate land clearing machine, fast, efficient, and unstoppable. The Scania R650 V8 is built to haul massive loads of timber. It's powerful and reliable, handling rough conditions like a champ. With a strong engine and excellent design, it's the perfect truck for the job, taking timber from forest to sawmill with ease. Operating these machines takes serious skill. Whether it's navigating steep slopes or working in tight spaces, these professionals are always in control. They make difficult tasks look easy, but it's years of training and experience that makes the difference. This is the Vermeer HG6800TX, a powerful machine designed to process large volumes of wood with speed and precision. It's built for high-demand jobs, handling the toughest materials while staying energy efficient. This machine gets it done fast, and it gets it done right. Imagine loading a 21-meter log and watching it get cut, split, and cleaned automatically. That's what the Pezzolato TLA15TB900 does. It's a fully automated firewood processor, saving time and effort while delivering precision every time. A real game changer in firewood production. Stumps don't stand a chance against the JD7730. This stump cutter removes even the largest stumps in just minutes, leaving a clean surface ready for the next step. It's quick, efficient, and powerful. Everything you need for fast land clearing. Incredible. Here's the Chippo 8010C, equipped with a 780 horsepower engine. It devours wood at an unbelievable rate, turning entire trees into wood chips in no time. And with its energy-efficient design, it sets a new standard for wood chippers. Can you believe the size and speed of this thing? Safety in forestry isn't optional, it's essential. Every tree felling is planned with precision to ensure that it falls exactly where it should. The machines are powerful, but the planning and execution are what keep everyone safe.
Stay there!
Once the timber is harvested, it's time to transport it to the mill. Trucks head out through beautiful landscapes, carrying logs that will soon become furniture, homes, and more. Every part of the process is critical to keeping the forestry supply chain moving. The machines of today are impressive, but wow, let's not forget the legacy of forestry's past. Machines like the legendary Cockham's 880 from 1976 laid the groundwork for what we have now. These machines were tough, reliable, and are a reminder of the hard work that built the industry. Look at these pros in action. Their precision and teamwork make sure every operation goes smoothly. Logging isn't just about brute force. It requires skill, safety, and respect for nature. And these guys have mastered it. Meet the Woody WH-601 head, a true beast. This machine is redefining logging efficiency, proving that Chinese excavators can hold their own. Its full protection package and fire extinguisher add durability and safety to every operation. That's a hefty stump, but no problem for these machines. Stump removal is key for forest health, and instead of burning, mulching back into the soil is a sustainable practice that benefits long-term forest growth. This is sustainable logging. Here's the Savannah 1720 Stump Puller, a true powerhouse. Paired with a rotary rake, it can clear 20 to 40 acres a day. That's insane efficiency for land clearing. This machine is shaping the future of land management. The Scania R770 is a 770 horsepower giant built for rough terrain. These drivers are top-notch pros, handling this beast like it's child's play. This isn't just about driving, it's about mastery and precision in forestry logistics. The Woodcracker W1000 is built for the toughest wood-splitting jobs. Its hard-ox steel construction means more power, less friction, and unmatched durability. It's user-friendly and designed for maximum efficiency in the field. The STHL MS881 is the ultimate chainsaw for heavy-duty jobs. With 87 horsepower, this machine slices through massive logs effortlessly. Known for its durability and power, it's a must-have tool in modern logging operations. Step back in time with horse logging, a tradition still alive today in Montana. This method is a throwback to simpler times, where people relied on horses to move timber. It's a sustainable practice that keeps us connected to our past. The Atera Stump Planer makes removing deep-rooted stumps easier than ever. With its 3 hardened steel cutters and auger extensions, it annihilates stumps with ease, making even the toughest jobs look effortless. Meet the Petzolato PTH1200/1000M wood chipper, powered by a 796 horsepower Volvo engine. It's efficient, powerful, and saves fuel by focusing all power on the chipping drum. This is how you turn wood waste into a non-issue. Woodworking is an art, and with CNC technology, these pros create perfection. Precision meets creativity as they turn raw logs into breathtaking works of art. This is woodworking at its finest, blending the old and new. The Magnum LT linear carriage one is a powerhouse in the wood processing world. Used in factories, it cuts massive logs with remarkable speed and precision, perfect for high-capacity operations. From the Scania R770 to the Woody WH601, we've seen the best in power, precision, and teamwork. Logging is more than muscle. It's about respect for nature and skill. If today's showdown impressed you, drop a 1 in the comments and hit subscribe for more epic forestry action.